Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials, and today in this video we will learn how to create a profile card using HTML and CSS that you can see on my computer screen. So let's start this video. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have one HTML file, one CSS file and another folder called images. In this one you can see I have some images and icons that I will be using on this web design. You can find all these images download link in the video description. Now let's open these files with the code editor, which is VS Code. So this is the HTML file where I have added the basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file. In the HTML file I have added this link tag to connect HTML and CSS file. Next we will add codes in the body tag. So here let's create a div with the class name container. Next we have to add the CSS properties for this one. So let's add this class name in this CSS file, and here we will add some CSS properties like width, height. Then we will add a background image URL, and here we will add the file path of the image. So this image is in the folder called images. So write the folder name, then file name, which is background.png. So this is the image file path. Next we will add the background size. It will be cover, and background position will be center. After adding this, let's come to the folder and open this HTML file with your web browser. Now you can see this image on complete web page. Let's come back and come to the HTML file. Here in this container, let's add another div with the class name profile box. In this profile box, we have to add some icons. So let's add the img tag, write the file path images slash, it is menu.png, which is menu icon. So let's add a class name also, menu icon. Let's duplicate it, and the second one will be setting icon, and the class name also setting icon. Now the third image is profile pic. Let's add the class name also, like this. After adding this, let's open the web page again. Now you can see this icon and profile picture in the left side. So let's come back, and first we have to add this class name profile box in this CSS file, and for this profile box let's add some CSS like background. So the background color will be this one. After that, let's add text align center. Right now you can see it is coming at the top, so we have to move it in the center. Let's come back, and in this container let's add display flex align items center and justify content center. After applying this, you can see it is coming in the center of this web page. After that, let's come back, and in this HTML file, here we will add the text in H3, and in this text we will add the user's name. So let me add a name, and after that we will add another text in p tag. After adding these text, you can see these text here, which is in the black color. So let's come back, and in this profile box let's add some padding, then color. Let's add the position relative, and border radius 20 pixel. Now we have to set the position for this small icon, which is menu icon and setting icon, and we have to change the size for this profile image. So let's come back, and here you can see I have added the class name, menu icon, setting icon and profile pic. So let's use this class name in the CSS file. For the menu icon, we will add the width 25 pixel, then position will be absolute, left 40 pixel and top 40 pixel. Let me duplicate this, and here we will add another class name, which is setting. Now for the setting icon also we will add the width 25, position absolute. Instead of left we will add right 40 pixel, top will be 40 pixel. Now you can see the menu icon in the left side and the setting icon on the right side. Let's come back and copy this class name profile pic, write it here. For this profile pic we will add width 150 pixel, then border radius will be 50% so that it will be a circle. Let's add the background white and padding 6 pixel. It will be 150 pixel. After applying this, you can see it looks like this. Next we have to add some space from top. So here we will add margin top 40 pixel. It looks good. Next we have to add some social media icons, and then we will add a white space where we will add one text and one down arrow. So let's come back, and in this HTML file, just after this p text we will add a div with the class name social media, and add the img tag, images slash file name, which is instagram.png, duplicate it and change the file name. It is telegram.png, and the third one is drivel.png. And after this div, let's add a button. Type will be button and button text will be follow. After this button, let's add a div with the class name profile bottom, because this div will be at the bottom, and in this one we will add a text. Learn more about my profile, and let's add one icon also. So write the file path of the icon. After adding this, you can see there is a button called follow. Below that button there is some text and one down arrow. Let's come back and copy this class name profile bottom, write it here in this CSS file. Here we will add background, so the background will be white color and color will be 999. Then we will add some padding. Let's add the padding of 60 pixel from top and bottom and 0 from left and right. After adding this, let's see, it is coming here. Now we have some space from the left side and right side. To cover this space, we will add margin in minus. So here we will add margin right minus 90 pixel and margin left also minus 90 pixel. Now you can see it covers the entire space from left to right. Now we have some space at the bottom also. So here we will add margin bottom it will be minus 40 pixel. So there is no extra space at the bottom, but right now the corner is square, so we have to add some radius. So let's add border radius 20 pixel. Now it looks good. After adding it, let's add this class name again and write img. So it will be for the icon. For this icon we will add width 15 pixel and there will be some space, so let's add margin top 15 pixel and cursor pointer. Now this looks good. Next we have to design the button, which is follow button. So write this class name here, profile box, then button. For this button we have to add the background, so it will be white color, then color this one, and after that border it will be none, outline none. Let's add box shadow 0, 5 pixel, 10 pixel, and color, which is RGBA. After that we will add some padding. Cursor pointer. Now you can see this button looks good. We have to make the corner round and we will move this button little bit down. So let's come back and here we will add border radius, so it will be 30 pixel, and margin bottom, so the margin bottom will be minus 50 pixel, and let's add the font weight 600 and font size will be 16 pixel. Next we have to move this white box little bit up, so let's come back and in this profile bottom we will add margin top minus 10 pixel. Now it is good. Next we will add the CSS for the title, which is the name. So let's come back and here we will add this class name profile box h3, because we have added the title in h3 tag. So we have to set the font size 22 pixel and margin from the top, let's add 20 pixel and font weight 500. Next we will add the CSS for this social media icon. Let's come back and here write the class name, which is social media, then img. Width it will be 20 pixel and some margin, and cursor pointer. After applying this, you can see this entire profile box is looking very good. So finally we have completed this profile card using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.